Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that something as simple as lifting a grocery bag feels impossible. Your arms ache as if you've just carried a mountain, or a small stumble on the sidewalk suddenly turns into a fracture that changes your life completely. Sadly, this isn't a rare situation. It's the silent and harsh reality faced by millions of people. Many who have no idea that their bones are slowly and quietly weakening day by day. The most frightening part of bone loss is that it doesn't show obvious warning signs in the beginning. It works silently. By the time we reach 30, the body naturally begins to lose bone density, and if nothing is done, by age 50, that process accelerates dramatically. From that point, the consequences can be devastating. Osteoporosis, painful fractures, loss of independence, difficulty walking or moving freely, and even emotional challenges like depression that come from these physical limitations. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural, and affordable way to fight this? That something as small as a spoonful at night, yes, just one spoonful, could completely change the story in your favor? The most encouraging part? It has nothing to do with expensive medications, artificial supplements, or treatments full of side effects. Instead, it's about real, natural food, powerful ingredients within everyone's reach. Today, I'll show you 8 affordable and widely available seeds that are true treasures for your bones. Packed with calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and many other essential nutrients, these seeds can strengthen your skeleton from the inside out, turning fragile bones into strong, resilient supports for your body. Welcome, friends, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All these information are science-backed and research references are provided in the description below. Have you ever felt that persistent joint pain that makes you worry about the future? Or do you know someone in your family who's already been diagnosed with osteoporosis? If so, type the word strengthen in the comments, because today, we're not only strengthening bones, we're strengthening mobility, independence, confidence, and most importantly, quality of life. Seed 1. Sesame Seeds. Most people barely notice sesame seeds, maybe seeing them sprinkled on hamburger buns or baked goods. But behind this tiny seed is a powerhouse of nutrients essential for bone health. Sesame seeds are one of the richest natural sources of calcium, the mineral responsible for bone formation, density, and strength. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds provides more calcium than a full glass of milk. And even better, the calcium in sesame is more bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and uses it more efficiently. Sesame seeds also contain magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, and plant-based proteins, all working together like a bone rebuilding squad. This is especially crucial after age 40 when bone loss accelerates. You can easily include sesame seeds in your diet, sprinkle them over yogurt or salads, blend them into smoothies, or grind them into tahini to spread on toast. A spoonful at night, simple and tasty, can become a shield that helps your bones resist time with strength and resilience. Seed 2. Chia Seeds. When chia seeds touch water, they swell and form a gel. That transformation isn't just visual. It creates a slow, steady release of nutrients, improving absorption and utilization. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients help with bone mineralization, reduce fragility, and protect against conditions like osteoporosis. The omega-3s also reduce joint inflammation and stiffness. Magnesium in chia helps calcium bind to bone tissue, acting like natural cement that strengthens your skeletal structure. Try soaking a spoonful of chia in half a glass of plant milk for 20 minutes to create a light pudding before bed. This small preparation works while you sleep, nourishing your bones slowly and consistently throughout the night. Seed 3. Flax Seeds. Flax seeds might look ordinary, but they're incredibly powerful for bone strength. They provide calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in balanced amounts, vital for bone repair and formation. Their greatest benefit, however, lies in their ability to fight chronic inflammation, a silent destroyer of bone health. Persistent inflammation prevents your body from absorbing essential minerals, weakening your skeleton over time. Flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and hormone balancing properties, particularly helpful for women in premenopause or menopause. They also contain plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which calm inflammation and promote bone regeneration. But remember, flax seeds must be ground. Whole seeds pass through your system undigested. So, grind them and mix a tablespoon into smoothies, porridge, or yogurt before bed to unlock their full power. Seed 4. Pumpkin seeds. If you usually throw away pumpkin seeds, you've been tossing out one of nature's richest bone-strengthening treasures. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral essential for building and repairing bone tissue. Zinc acts like the architect of bone health, supporting cell regeneration and collagen production. They also contain magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and antioxidants that protect cells from aging and slow bone loss. Lightly toast them for a crunchy snack, or sprinkle them over salads, soups, or rice. Just 1 tablespoon a night delivers a wave of minerals during your body's repair cycle. Seed 5. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds may look small, but they're nutritional powerhouses loaded with vitamin E, selenium, magnesium, and copper. These nutrients help maintain bone structure and hormonal balance, crucial for women over 40 when bone loss accelerates. Vitamin E acts as a shield, protecting bone cells from free radical damage and inflammation. Selenium supports bone metabolism and thyroid health, both vital for bone strength. A simple nightly mix of sunflower, pumpkin, and chia seeds sprinkled over yogurt or fruit creates a relaxing, nutritious ritual. A tablespoon a day helps preserve bone density and reduce fracture risk over time. Seed 6. Watermelon seeds. Most people enjoy the fruit and throw away the best part, the seeds. Watermelon seeds are rich in magnesium, which works hand in hand with calcium to strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. They also contain iron, phosphorus, potassium, and proteins that build and maintain bone mass. Plus, their diuretic and antioxidant properties reduce inflammation and fluid retention, protecting joints from pain. After eating watermelon, collect the seeds, wash, dry, and toast them with sea salt. Eat them as a crunchy snack or sprinkle them on food. Just 1 tablespoon a day, especially at night, feeds your bones and joints while you rest. Seed 7. Grape seeds. Next time you eat grapes, don't spit out the seeds. They're packed with antioxidants that support bone health. Grape seeds are rich in resveratrol, a polyphenol known for fighting cellular aging and promoting healthy circulation. Resveratrol helps slow bone density loss and protects your skeleton from early weakening. Grape seeds also contain vitamin E, linoleic acid, and flavonoids that shield bones from oxidative stress. You don't have to chew the seeds. Grape seed flour or extract is widely available. Mix a teaspoon into juice, yogurt, or porridge daily to support bone protection and slow aging. Seed 8. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a complete plant-based protein containing all essential amino acids needed for tissue regeneration, including bones. They're packed with calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, minerals that maintain bone density and protect against age-related loss. What makes hemp seeds special is their perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which reduce joint inflammation and improve comfort and mobility. Add a tablespoon of hemp seeds to fruit, salads, soups, or smoothies daily. They provide the building blocks your body needs to maintain bone strength and flexibility naturally. The best part? All this comes from nature. No pills, no chemicals. Just real nutrition that works in harmony with your body. When people think of strong bones, they imagine milk or supplements. But as you've just learned, the secret can be simpler and more natural. The key might be in something as small as a spoonful of seeds each night. Sesame, chia, flax, pumpkin, sunflower, watermelon, grape, and hemp. Each seed brings its own set of minerals and antioxidants. Calcium, magnesium, zinc, omega-3s, that together create a powerful shield for your bones. The real secret isn't choosing one. It's consistency. It's not enough to eat them once in a while. These nutrients need to become part of your nightly routine because they work gradually, rebuilding and strengthening bones day after day. Nighttime is the perfect moment, when your body naturally enters its repair cycle. So here's a simple suggestion. Create your own seed mix. Choose your favorites, store them in a jar, and each night, use a spoonful, on yogurt, in smoothies, in oatmeal, or as a crunchy snack. This small daily habit can protect you from osteoporosis, fractures, and the loss of mobility that comes with aging. Because strengthening your bones isn't just about structure. It's about preserving your independence and quality of life. And the best time to start? Not tomorrow, today. If this video helped you, please leave a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and type the word strengthen in the comments to show you're ready to take action. Together, we can spread health, awareness, and vitality to many more people. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.